Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. আশা কৰিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে, সুস্থ আছে, সুৰক্ষিত আছে। বৰ্তমান আছো মই এতিয়া আদাবাৰী তিনিআলিত থকা অটল উদ্যান পাৰ্কখনত। আজি আমাৰ স্কুলৰ পৰা মানে ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ভেলী পাব্লিক স্কুলৰ পৰা অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিছে খুব ধুনীয়া এটা ইভেন্ট আৰু সেই ইভেন্টৰ নাম হ'ল ব্ৰেইন বুষ্টাৰ ইণ্টাৰ স্কুল কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যন, য'ত আমি সকলোবোৰ মানে প্ৰিন্সিপাল মেম, ছাৰ, টিচাৰ্ছ আমি সকলোবোৰ আহি অলমষ্ট উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ আৰু যিবোৰ পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ সেইবোৰ আহিব। তেওঁলোক অকণমান যেতিয়া ৰিপৰ্টিং টাইমত আহি পাব। আমি টিচাৰ্ছবোৰ আগতীয়াকৈ আহিলোঁ। চ' আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো খুব বেছি এক্সাইটিং, ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং, য়েট বহুত বেছি ইনফৰ্মেটিভ হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে। আশা কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই খুব বেছি ভাল পাব আৰু লগতে আছে আমাৰ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ভেলী পাব্লিক স্কুলৰ টিচাৰ্ছবোৰ, মেমবোৰ। তো এয়া দেখাই দিছোঁ। এণ্ড আমাৰ লগত আছে নীতা মেম কি ক'ব বিচাৰিব?
Hi guys, so today we are very much excited for the event and we hope you guys will enjoy. Stay tuned.
চ' সেয়াই আশা কৰিছোঁ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভাল পাব। চ' নাও লেটছ গেট ষ্টাৰ্টেড উইথ দ্য ভিডিঅ'। এয়া আমাৰ লগত আৰু আহিছে, বেলেগ মেমবোৰো আহিছে, টিচাৰ্ছবোৰ আহি হ'ল। এয়া হ'ল সেজুতি মেম, সুস্মিতা মেম, স্বাগতা মেম। Ma'am, what you would like to say about today's event?
Today we are very excited.
We are very
Yes.
happy.
Hope to have a great event.
Yes, definitely. We are hoping for its best. আৰু ষ্টুডেণ্টছবোৰো অলমষ্ট অহা আৰম্ভ হৈছে। ৰিপৰ্টিং টাইম সিহঁতৰ 3:30 পৰা। চ' য়েছ। I'll be your host for today's exciting event. An inter-school quiz competition is designed to test your knowledge, skills, and of course teamwork. So, best wishes to you all. First and foremost, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am who have given us such an opportunity to organize a wonderful and amazing event. Thank you. Who had made remarkable achievements and contributions in his life. He is a freelance personality development and motivator to school students. All the best. Now, I would like to call Dharmaraj Joshi sir on stage. A big round of applause for sir. Now, I would like to call on stage Jury ma'am and Jumi ma'am to felicitate Dharmaraj Joshi sir. Thank you, Jury ma'am and Jury ma'am. Now, I would like to hand over the microphone to our Joshi sir and to speak a few lines on this exciting and yet interesting event.
Okay, so are you excited for the quiz today? Yes. Okay, so we are ready to start the Brain Booster Inter-School Quiz Competition organized by Eastern Valley Public School. I'd like to thank Principal Ma'am and all the teachers for giving me and my team the opportunity to conduct the quiz today. And before we start, I would like to give a big round of applause for the team of Eastern Valley School. Please give them a big round of applause for organizing this big event, one of a kind in this part of the city.
আৰু এয়া এনেদৰে আমাৰ ইয়াতে চলি আছে কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যন। অলৰেডি ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰাউণ্ড ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ গৈছে। এনেপিনে আছে মেমহঁত,
So one in every 20 children suffers from this.
মমি মেম, মমতা মেম, বাৰ্বি মেম। আৰু
किसके घर में dog है? Anyway, lot of you love dogs. Let's see. Traditionally bred as hunting companion, these dogs are medium-sized athletic dog breed. They often have drooping ears, a broad muzzle, and wavy fur. What is the general name given to these dogs? Because they originally come from a certain European country. So, the country from which they have come, they come. 1 week back, something happened.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
আমাৰ লগত নন্দিতা মেম হাউ আৰ ইউ ফিলিং এবাউট ফৰ দিছ ইভেণ্ট
We are very excited, very nervous, and the most we are so happy that our hard work is bringing some colors.
Yes.
So I am very happy.
And our first round has been completed.
Yeah, no, it is
Verification is
Yes, now we are just getting the answers. 2 or 3 questions left. Then we will proceed to the final
Hoping
round.
for the best.
Yes.
So the first question was, yes, anyone? What is this which you have free? One there, yeah. Brain is absolutely correct. Very good answer. Brain. Brain is the answer I'm looking for. So brain booster is the name of the quiz. So first question should be brain. Brain.
Guwahati and Guwahati. Guwhati is the previous name and Guvwahati is the current name.
Absolutely correct. Guwahati and Guwahati. So 2 answers I want. If one is correct, TikTok is absolutely correct. TikTok. TikTok started in China but not available in China. China has some other name for TikTok, but TikTok, the Brain Booster Inter-School Quiz Competition. And most importantly, please give yourself a big round of applause for coming here in big number and participating in the quiz. So thank you everyone for coming and participating. Please stay back for the finals. Your brother.
Yes.
Okay, so all the best to both of you. And the last team is from St. Francis. Yeah, go on.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Arkadeep Bose. Myself, Shubhadeep De. And we are from St. Francis DSCC Senior Secondary School. And we are hoping for the best.
Okay, hope for the best and hope for the best for all of you. All the best to all of you. So we can start off with the finals. So let's see what we have. I will try to do 6 rounds. Okay, in the final. Got the he named that particular country. Somebody who has not answered. You have got 1. Anyone else wants to try? Or you will get the second prize if you give me a correct answer. Anyone? No one. So, what is it? ये क्या है? Movie. Good answer. That is the answer. The movie.
So smart.
Yes. -10. Not Ram Mandir. Anyone going for it? Yes. Kamakhya Mandir is absolutely correct. That is the answer I am looking for. Kamakhya Mandir will give you 1 chocolate. So with this we have come to the end of the 6 rounds. I hope there is no tie. So no tie. So there is no tie. So we are the 2 students from St. Vivekananda. They are second, 105 points, but winning the quiz with a lead score of 160 points. Great. Give them a big round of applause. Maurice Vidya Mandir, and they are the winners of today's quiz, the Brain Booster quiz. And with this, we have come to the end of the quiz today. So please stay back. We are giving you the prizes and certificates. So thank you everyone. And
আৰু আমি এতিয়া বৰ্তমান একদম আমাৰ ইভেণ্টৰ শেষ পৰ্যায়ত আহি পাইছোঁ প্ৰাইজ ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন এণ্ড অল চব হৈ গৈছে আৰু এয়া হ'ল আমাৰ আজিৰ উইনাৰ দ্যাট ইজ ফ্ৰম চ' কংগ্ৰেচুলেশ্যনছ টু ইউ বোথ
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your viewpoint about this event? How did you felt?
It felt amazing. It was really well organized, and the venue is also amazing.
Okay. Thank you. Wishing you a very successful
Thank you.
future ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So এনেদৰে আজি আমাৰ ইণ্টাৰ স্কুল কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যনটো ইয়াতে শেষ হৈছে খুব বেছি ভাল লাগিল আৰু বহুত বেছি ভাল পাৰ্টিচিপেশ্যন এণ্ড ৰেছপন্স পাইছোঁ তো য়েছ একদম কুইজ কম্পিটিশ্যন মাষ্টাৰ আজি আমি জাজ হিচাপে তেওঁক মাতিছিলোঁ সেয়া হ'ল ধৰ্মৰাজ যোশী ছাৰ চ' ছাৰৰ কেনেকুৱা লাগিল আজি আমাৰ ইভেণ্টটোত আহি সেইখিনি আপোনালোকক জনাই আছোঁ চ' হাউ ডিড ইউ ফেল্ট এবাউট দিছ ইভেণ্ট হুইচ ইউ হেভ বিন অৰ্গেনাইজড বাই ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ভেলী পাব্লিক স্কুল
This is the first time that this level of quizzing competition has been organized in this area, Maligaon area.
Yes.
A lot of teams, there were around 60 to 70 teams participating. It was a big event. I think we have to congratulate the Eastern Valley Public School authorities for organizing this event. And I hope there will be a lot of other events, such events from different schools who will be conducting the event in future also. So great event and I enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.